Druid game 3. I'm actually on a winning spree, which is really nice because I didn't expect this deck to do well. All right, Rogue should be okay. I'm only running one Haunted Creeper. Probably should run two. Such a good card. You know, synergizes with Violet Teacher, Power the Wild combo, yeah. My greetings, friend. Most rogues do not have a turn 1 play or turn 2 play except Hero Power. Face? Oh, okay. Think I would have done that. Or maybe not. I'm just gonna do that because it's really mana efficient. You could innovate out Keeper of the Grove to clear, but I don't think it would be as good as that, because now he needs to Hero Power or do something against it.
The light protects me.
What? Oh, that's face? Is that face rogue? I think it is. That's interesting. I haven't played against those in like a long time. Or what's this called? Black Space Rogue? No, it's Mill Rogue. I guess it's going offline and online. Oh, I wanna poke down that. There we go. Bing. Go on Spectral Spiders. I love. What? Yeah, it's aggro. That is something I haven't seen in quite a while. I think just playing Violet Teacher is good. There's no other play you could Hero Power Wild Growth, which is actually also a very good play, and I probably should have thought about that a little longer. But I want minions. I want something to play. I think Violet Teacher Wild Growth next turn, if he doesn't remove it, it's fantastic. Looks like a way to remove it. I think the aggro, against aggro, Druid is pretty good. Is that Cold Blood? Ew. That's disgusting, dude. I think I need to face tank this damage. What does it deal? It deals 8 damage, so I'm down to 10 then. Not much I can do.
Rise against you.
It's time for the 66% win rate Druid, which is I've grown quite used to. Using Agent of Lord to heal, probably the best play.
So many
You have 3 cards. There can't be too many options. 2020. He's just been using his cards a lot more than I have. So I'm just gonna. I was tabbed out there. I don't think anything important happened. Is he BMing me with the lethal? South hand, South deckhand, and oil is lethal. Is he AFK? Yeah. Yes, he is. Is he part of the advanced BM? I think he did wild growth. For the claw. Just to get a scenarios next turn. Yeah, you do. Okay, this is not an interesting game actually. I'm gonna try to explain why this deck is not very good anymore. So, before this, I think the metagame just adapted. So, I think the 4 slot is too good now with the piloted shredders and stuff like that. I don't think you can. You're not able to run the combo, which you used to be able to run it. That's a bit disappointing. I wanted to have a fun game actually. Well, let's see. Maybe we can get some fun Ancient of Lore stuff at least going on. Whoops. Damn, son. Where'd you find that? But yeah, this is the potential this deck has. You're not gonna get it often because, you know, it doesn't work that way. People will not let you do that, you know, very often in ranked, but this guy let me. So, just gonna go over the deck list, you know, pretty quickly. It actually works now. So, 2 innervates, important. Zombie Chow, good. Power of the Wild, really good with Violet Teacher. Wild Growth, just to get that early Violet Teacher. Wrath, 100 Creeper. I think the deck is, you know, too tight. It's not too much room. So 2 Savage Roar, 2 Shades, 2 Swipes, 2 Keepers, 2 Other decks, 2 Druids, 1 Force. Tarzan, lower Dr. Booms and Eyes. Those are pretty standard picks. The difference is that there are no piloted, instead there are teachers. They're part of the Wild Sun, no Sludge Belchers. This deck is a bit faster. But yeah, it's still a really fun deck to play, so I really recommend, you know, playing it, because you'll be surprised how actually efficient it is nowadays in the meta. So, wind up, wrap it out.